Welcome to the project demonstration of hybrid energy based water pumping system. So here hybrid power sources, mainly we are using renewable sources like solar panel, which is a 12 volt 3 watt solar panel, and 12 volt 20 watts wind power generator, and next 12 volts 15 watts of AC grid. So here the hybrid is getting from this grid power source, and wind and solar, these three are used to charge a battery, and from there we are going to pumping the water with the help of this AC motor. So for that we need to convert this 12 volts of DC power supply to 230 volts of AC. There are the two stages. One is inverter, so which is used to convert the 12 volts of DC to 12 volts of AC, and the next is step up. With the help of this step up transformer, we are going to step up the 12 volts of AC to 230 volts of AC, and that is the main operating voltage over inverter, the AC water pumping motor. So here the stages, like from the grid we are going to provide the 230 volts AC inputs to this transformer, and that is the output of 12 volts of AC is given to the battery through this regular power supply, so which has the two stages, rectification and filtration. Rectification will rectify the 12 volts of AC to 12 volts of pulsating DC, and to remove the pulses we kept a filter which is used to provide the pure DC of 12 volts. So that is the charging voltage to our battery. So here battery pack we are using for energy storage purpose, 12 volts 1.5 ampere of current rating battery pack we are using. So this battery pack consists of three 4 volt 1.5 ampere batteries are in series, so we'll get 12 volt 1.5 ampere output. Coming to the renewable sources like wind and solar panel, we are connected the output from this wind to this charging circuit, and from the solar panel the output from this solar section is input to the same charging circuits. So these three are look like same charging circuits, but these two charging circuits rectifier diodes will act as a unidirectional current flow, whereas here this will use it to convert the AC to pulsating DC, means AC to pulsating DC converter, and in these two charging circuits these four diodes will act as a polarity corrector. Means while the wind is generated from this dynamo, if there is rotated in clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction, that will be rectified with the help of these four diodes, and the filtration just to remove the ripples while the power got generated, as these two sources are variable voltage and variable current sources. That's why we kept the filtration. And the next, LED indication. As we can see, due to the low lighting this will provide the low intensity from this LED indication, that is low voltage is available, and when we place this solar panel under the sunlight, it will get the full intensity like this. So the charging time from this sources, either from the transformer or wind or solar, it will take 6 hours maximum time to be fully charged, 4 hours an average time if you utilize the battery pack from this to the sources, to the load directly. And here if you getting the same kind of power and full power from the three sources, then it will get around 1.5 hour of maximum time to be fully charged. So in that manner we can get the more power from these three sources while we charging of a battery pack. So after this, the battery is 12 volts of DC is input to this inverting circuit. So here where you are using the IC which is generating the pulses, with the help of this MOSFETs we are going to get the 12 volts of AC 1.5 ampere, and that is input to the step up transformer, and from there the 230 volts is input to the AC motor for water pumping purpose. So let us see the demonstration. Right, okay, and now just this on off switch to on the power supply to the inverter. Right, so it will pump at least of maximum 1.5 meter height of pumping is possible from this AC water pumping motor. Right, and coming to the wind source, you can see, right, so the clockwise direction you can see the light indication on this generator. Right, counterclockwise also you can see the light indication on the charging circuit. Thank you.